What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today we are doing an unboxing on Acer's KG1 series 24-inch Full HD LED monitor. I picked this guy up for one of the users at my 9-to-5 job because she wanted a second monitor for home. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I got to tag it, bag it, make sure it is working before I ship it out to her. So let's get started, all right? Nice. 24-inch, which is not that bad. 24-inch wide. It's not that bad. Awesome. Cool. Oh, it actually has two HDMI ports. Two HDMI ports, the VGA, and then you have your power right here. Looks like it's super simple to insert the stand. So all you gotta do is just slide it in. See if I can slide it in. All right, it's not that easy. All right, so I definitely don't want to break it. So let's see. There we go. Cool. Awesome. Boop. And voila. Awesome. So I'm definitely going to take this guy out. I love taking this plastic out. Oh, the sensation is awesome. Cool. Beautiful. Cool. Got your power button, you got your menu. I'm assuming like brightness and stuff. This is where you adjust the brightness. So I'm gonna hook it up to one of my laptops. This Acer monitor is considered a gaming monitor. I picked it up real quick at B&H. Price tag on this guy was under $200. I think the retail price was actually $109. So with taxes around $112, which is not that bad. So, okay, I'm gonna get the laptop, I'm gonna plug it in, I'm gonna hook up all the cables, I'm gonna turn it on, we're gonna start a video game, we're gonna play, we're gonna see how it works and look. Okay, so I hooked up my gaming laptop to the 24-inch LED monitor from Acer, which is the KG1 series. All right, so I was looking at the user guide and the buttons right here. The first one is the power button, which I am going to turn on. Awesome. And the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons are basically the menu function keys. It allows you to trigger the game mode, which this monitor actually has. I'm going to click on this guy right here. I think this is the menu. So menu button, if you press it again, it allows you to go to picture, color, gaming, OSD, system and information. These right here are your directional keys, your enter, and then going back. So I'm going to press this menu again, press it again. Boom. I'm going to go down for gaming. And FreeSync is turned on. Ooh, this is a nice monitor. Cool. It is right now, overdrive is normal. So if I switch it, let's go up. Extreme, off. So I'm gonna leave it. Let's go to extreme because I am going to play a video game. I'm gonna play Street Fighter, and FreeSync is turned on by default. Has like a short second for the menu to go away. So whatever you need to do, make sure you do it quickly. So this guy is the menu. If you press it again, it takes you to wherever you need to go. Extreme. All right. So let's go back. Press the menu again. This one for input output again. You have three inputs. You have two HDMI, 1 and 2, and then you have your VGA. By default, it is turned to auto source. So if you have a VGA, it would automatically pick it up and do whatever it needs to do. So menu, contrast, brightness, and this guy right here, your modes. So you got user mode, sports, racing, action, standard, eco, graphics, and movie. Wow, cool. All right, so I'm gonna leave everything as the default. I am going to go in here and turn on or load up one of my games. Let me see if I can find Street Fighter. And when it launches, we are good to go. All right, so I got everything up and running. Street Fighter had to update itself behind the scenes, so you guys don't really need to look at that, right? But so far, man, the color is so beautiful. I'm gonna go to the menu. I'm gonna go here to the modes. And right now, by default, it says user. This is sports. This is racing. This is action. Let's go down. This is movie. This is graphics, eco, and then standard. I'm really feeling, I like the action one. Action one looks pretty good, so I'm gonna leave it as that. And I'm gonna press this one to go back or enter to finalize it. And let's pick someone. There we go. I'm ready. We're gonna play a quick game. I wanna see how it looks. Now, the way that the user is going to use this monitor is basically to open up Word documents and gotta make sure I'm paying attention. But it is not a bad monitor. I'm already in the zone. I'm in the zone, sorry. So again, retail price for this guy is under $200. I got it like for real at B&H for $109 after taxes. I would say about $112, $115 probably, depending where you're at. But try not to lose. It's embarrassing to lose while I'm recording this with you guys. There we go. Bye-bye. Yeah. Woo! I'm really liking this mode. It looks really nice. Well, I'm lagging a little bit. And it's not the monitor, it's the laptop. I don't have it plugged in. When you're running a gaming laptop not plugged in, it's going to be really sluggish. But overall, I love the monitor. I love the size. It's really compact. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing on Acer's KG1 series 24-inch monitor. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next unboxing. Peace out.